Here I have Motorola Moto G42, and today I'm going to show you how to change ringtone on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the sound section, sound and vibration, and then to the phone ringtone. So you can select one of these pre-installed ringtones. You can add your own by selecting audio file from your phone's memory. Like, as I have no audio file, I'm just gonna select one of the preset ones. You can listen to some of them. Could be this one. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.